So if you're familiar with the equal loudness curves, what those are is they are curves that were established like decades ago. I forget exactly when they did the research on it, but basically, actually, let me pull up an equal loudness curve. So here's the Wikipedia page on equal loudness contours, right? Sometimes they're called contours. Sometimes they're called Fletcher-munson curves because those were the researchers that did this. But basically what they looked at is they looked at the actual sound pressure level. So that's the actual amount of pressure in the air with any given sound. And they tested how humans perceived the loudness. So what we realized with these curves, each of these lines is supposed to be an equal loudness amount. So for example, at around 10K, this is the sound pressure level that someone needed to hear for it to sound the same loudness as, for example, what's this, like maybe 50 hertz had to be up at this sound pressure level. So what that tells us is that the human ear is very sensitive to this frequency range, right? Around like 1,000 and a little bit of, what was that, like 5,000? And that's what, if I switch back to Pro Tools here, that's what this is talking about. So it's applying that concept to the adjustment in the gain for you. So it'll feel like if you have this on, what I believe it'll feel like, right, is that when you have this on, if you increase the gain, for example, by 8 decibels, it'll feel like the whole frequency spectrum's been raised by that much.